Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, many of the viewers and subscribers regularly ask me that which plants they can grow in the shade area or the area which do not get direct sunlight, or indoors they can grow in the pavement area. So today I am recommending 20 plants that you can grow without sunlight. Just number one is snake plant or Sensibiera. This is a very hardy plant, and according to NASA, this is a air purifying plants, and you can grow it in full sunlight as well as indoors in the area which do not get direct sunlight, and you can propagate it easily from its pups or suckers. You can see there are lots of sucker if you buy one plant, and within 1 year you will get 8 to 10 plants from this, and this is the very nice plants, and they look very nice and very hardy plant. So you must grow Sensibiria or snake plant. Number two is GG plant. This is Jamanculus plant, and this is one of the best plant, air purifying plant. You can grow indoors, and you can propagate it through its leaves or through its stems. And if you buy one plant, and it will go up to years after year, and you can propagate it easily from its stems. And this is the best air purifying plants. If you want, you can grow indoors very nicely. Number three is Kalanchoe. This is a flowering plants, and this is one of the best flowering plants in winter season plants, and you can grow without sunlight. You can grow indoors and the area that do not receive direct sunlight, and they will bloom very nicely. And Kalanchoe arabe, you can propagate it from stems or from leaves also. This is number three. Number four is Trioster. This is the Calathea Trioster plants, and you can see the leaf coloration here. Beautiful coloration, three coloration leaves. In bottom side leaves is a dark peach color, beautiful, and you can grow Trioster without sunlight. Number four is Lucky Bamboo. You can grow indoors. This is in Feng Shui. They are very nice plants, and you can grow in water or in soil, in any soil mix. You can grow indoors in indirect light, that is in tube light, or all beautiful plants. Number six is Philodendron, and you can see this is a Philodendron golden or yellow, and different color forms you can see, and different leaf forms you can see in Philodendron. And as you grow money plant, this is also like money plant, and you can grow Philodendron without sunlight indoors. Very beautiful plant. Number seven is Philodendron Birkin. This is Birkin is one of the finest plant you can grow, and the leaf coloration, leaf texture you can see beautiful, and very thick leaves here you can see, and easy to care, very easy to care Birkin you can grow. Number 8 is Janadu. This is the Philodendron Janadu. You can see the leaf pattern, and if you grow one plant, year after year you can get hundreds of plants from there, and they are very hardy plants, and you can grow in full sunlight as well as indoors or the area that does not get any of the direct sunlight. You can grow and propagate it easily. This is the Philodendron Janadu. Number 9 is Dracaena Victoria. This is also very nice, and you can see the coloration in the foliage. Basically it comes in different 4 to 5 colorations you can see in the leaves, and you can propagate from its stems very easily. And this is the plant you can grow without sunlight, and in say pavement area or in veranda area you can grow beautiful. Number 10 is Calathea rosopicta. Calathea rosopicta, one of the finest and the best looking plants in a garden, or you can grow indoors. And Calathea rosopicta is very different color forms you can get in rosopicta, and you can get easily grow it without any care indoors. Rosopicta is the finest plant you can grow. Now number 11 is jet plant, very common plant. Sometimes it is called money tree also, and people say if you grow this, the money and prosperity will bring in your home. And this is the plant, jet plant, Portulacre afra. You can grow without sunlight also, but one thing is that every 10 or 15 days you have to take out in full sunlight for 1 or 2 days, then again take back to home area where direct sunlight doesn't come in. Number 12 is Aglaonema red. You can see the foliage coloration in Aglaonema red. You can get at least 8 to 10 color options in Aglaonema red, and different leaf patterns you can see, and you can grow totally in this without sunlight indoors. Very easy to care plant, Aglaonema red. Number 13 is Chinese evergreen. You can see the leaf foliage pattern, leaf thickness, and the color pattern of the leaves. And sometimes it is called snow white also. And very different types of design and patterns you can get in Chinese evergreen. And there are also at least 10 to 12 color options you can get in these leaves here. Chinese evergreen you can grow without sunlight. Now number 14 is bamboo palm. This is very popular palm. You can grow indoors, and many of the people grow indoors in their home in a 12-inch pot. If you grow it, and year after year you can grow in your home. And this is the bamboo palm is one of the luckiest plant you can grow indoors. So you must grow bamboo palm indoors, and without sunlight, proper sunlight, you can grow. Number 15 is Erica palm. This is very common, and you can see the sticks here, and 10 to 12 plant sticks are grown together, and they look very nice, and they are also air purifying plants. If you grow indoors, it can absorb all the obnoxious gases indoors, and they can purify your air indoors. So you must grow Erica palm in your home. Number 16 is peace lily. This is very common, and this also brings good luck in your home, peace lily. And this is the white color of flowers, and nowadays different color forms of flowers you can see in this peace lily. And peace lily, one of the finest plant you can grow indoors. Peace lily, very nice. And number 17 is money plant or pothos. You can see this is the very most commonly plant, and in feng shui they are called, this is the money plant or money tree, and they can bring money in your home. And this also look very nice, and you can grow in water also, you can grow in soil also, as you want. You can grow indoors. Number 18 is Anthurium. This is a flowering plant you can see indoors, and it comes in different color options, red, white, purple, pink, different color options of flowers you can see. This is the plant from Araceae family, and they are very in fashion of Anthurium, very beautiful plant. Number 19 is Syngonium, and you can see arrowhead plant, and nowadays different color options, hybrid varieties you can get in arrowhead plant. This is Syngonium, and you can see this is the white one or green one or red one variety, and different mixed variety also you can get this in. And this is a Syngonium plants, and this is easy to grow and easy to provide, just like money plant. You can grow very easily, very nice plant, Syngonium. Number 20 is Dieffenbachia. This is also very hardy plant you can grow indoors, and this is a beautiful plant, and you don't have to take much care. You can propagate it through its cutting of stems also. So these are the 20 plants I am recommending today, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.